If you're planning a product launch or a limited time campaign, or just want to manage when pre-orders are available, you can easily schedule when they begin and end using the PreOrder Now app. There are two ways to do this. You can apply the same schedule to all your products or set custom dates for specific ones. Let me walk you through both options. First, let's look at default settings. This is great if you want the same pre-order window to apply to all products in your store. From your Shopify admin, open the PreOrder Now app. Click on the Settings tab and make sure you're in the default section. Now scroll down to the pre-order scheduling section. Here, you'll see options for setting your start and end dates, including the time. Just enter the dates you want, then scroll down and click Save. That's it. All products using the default settings will follow this schedule. Now, if you want more control, you can use custom settings for individual products or groups of products. So go to the Products section inside the app. From the Pre-order Products tab, choose the variant you want to update. Or if you're managing products by tag, you can go to the Pre-order Tags tab and select the one you want to edit. Once you've opened the product or tag, enable Custom Settings. Then scroll to the Pre-order Period section and set the start date and end date, just like before. Click Save when you're done. Keep in mind that if you don't set a start date, pre-orders will begin as soon as you save. And if you don't set an end date, the pre-order will stay active until your inventory conditions change. Let us know if you have any questions.